National Testing Agency announced NEET and JEE examination from 1st of September 2020. This is COVID-19 pandemic situation. The students who are going to appear for these two examinations, NEET and JEE, it will be very difficult for them to reach the respective exam centers because the vehicle facilities are not available. Moreover, now the COVID is spreading throughout the country. It will be difficult to maintain social distancing. Life of the students are at risk. Therefore, as a Congress party and as a Congress person, we stand with the students that the Government of India, as far as all the states are concerned except our state and Tamil Nadu, to postpone the NEET and JEE examination. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry are in a different pattern. The students are writing the exam in the state board, not CBSE. The question papers are prepared under CBSE syllabus. In Tamil Nadu alone, more than 7 students committed suicide because they failed in the NEET exam. Therefore, we are opposing. Puducherry is opposing. Totally the NEET exam should not be there. And on the basis of the marks obtained by the students in 12th class, the admission for medical and engineering courses to be conducted, to be given to them. I wrote letter to the Prime Minister that Puducherry doesn't want NEET examination on 2 grounds: the COVID-19 pandemic situation and also the children, because of the state board, they are not able to cope up with the questions prepared on the basis of CBSE. And moreover, now there is a demand from all over the country by the students and their parents that NEET exam and JEE examination to be postponed. The Government of India should consider their genuine demand and postpone the examination to save the millions of students' lives. The Government of India should not play with the life of the students. Though Supreme Court has given the order, we are moving the Supreme Court and impress upon the Supreme Court to postpone the examination for other states and cancelling the examination in Puducherry and Tamil Nadu.